Hey guys, it's Mark here from the AIGizmo.com, AI for real estate agents. And today I want to show you another great tool that's going to save you tons of time. So in today's video, we're going to feature our email answer generator. So the first thing that you want to do, if you haven't already, is to sign up for the AIGizmo.com. It's completely free to get started. Once you've signed up, you'll see our home page and you'll see the login to the top right corner. Once you've logged in, you're going to come to our dashboard. Now, the user dashboard is where you're going to have everything at your fingertips to get anything that you need done. So, what we're going to use is our AI writer, and under AI writer, we're going to look for email. Click on email. Once you've clicked on the email, you can look below and see email generator, email answer generator. We're going to click on email answer generator. Now here's what your email answer generator looks like. You have your untitled document to the right where you can title the document. I usually like to put whose name it's going to. And there's also a description of the email. This is where you're going to copy and paste the description of your email so that it can be answered. To make this video short and straight to the point, I have an email from Kevin here, and Kevin wants to know how the AIGizmo.com can help him save time, effort, energy, and money. I already have everything set here that I wanted for my maximum length, creativity, and tone of voice. So in 30 to 60 seconds or less, we're going to have an email that we can send out to Kevin, and we're going to save time. And this is how we help real estate agents with AI save time, effort, energy, and money. So as you can see, I've got a great email right here, and it's going to be sent to Kevin. I'm going to copy and paste this and post this and send this to Kevin to his email. Thank you very much. Take care. Have a great day.